Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. I am your lady Tania, a true Jamaican, here on the streets in Georgetown, Guyana. Look in Georgetown.
So that is the parking lot there.
Hi, good night. This is Okellis. So far we have chicken and chips, fish and chips.
Tomorrow, we're going to work right through the night into Christmas morning.
We got barbecue chicken. We got barbecue pork, barbecue chicken. We got beef burger, that's chicken burger, getting ready to go on the grill. 5 p.m. to 5 a.m.
Okay, so if you're here and somebody come in at 12 p.m., you will do what you have to do.
Alright, so we're here on Church Street and Albert. This is where the sleeping casino, the sleeping hotel and carnival casino is.
Okay.
This is one of the proprietor of one of the business outside of the casino. Real time. As you can see, he has some Venezuelans working for him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, these girls make the burgers and stuff like that, right? Now, look what's going on here. I don't know if it's like the jerk chicken in Jamaica, but my dude is make a really
Maybe it's
nice
jerk chicken.
What, come around,
Yes.
come on. What we have on the grill?
Right now on the grill,
Oh, salam alaikum. I don't even pork, but
we got barbecue chicken.
we got barbecue pork, barbecue chicken.
We got beef burger, that's chicken burger, getting ready to go on the grill. In there we have steak, wings, fish.
All right, so when you're done gambling your money away and you're depressed, come and eat so that you can
From 5 p.m. to 5 a.m.
5 p.m.
Whoa,
right?
so you're here
Grill
all
time, right?
night.
Grill time.
Real time, yes.
Ooh.
Every day.
Every day, Monday to Friday.
No Saturday, no Sunday.
Every day, Monday to Friday, 7 days.
Okay, every day, 7 days a week. All right,
So where are you located?
You're
This-
right here on
this is
Church and Albert.
Give us a contact number in case anyone
Oh yeah,
coming and flying the country they want to order something.
you can call number 660-2760 or 681-3680.
All right, thank you. See? There's a lot of food caravans out there. So tonight's Friday night. You ain't seen action yet. All right, so we want to. So good night, viewers. We are here at Sleeping Hotel. It is in collaboration with Carnival Casino next door. It is located in Georgetown, Guyana, on the corner of Church and Albert. I'm giving you guys a tour. It is really beautiful inside, right? So we will, let's take a tour first. We will go in the elevator. Okay, so we are in the elevator. We are on 1, so we will go on the 2nd floor. For you guys, this is one of the newest hotels in Guyana. It is, I believe it's 4 floors. So this is the view. Look at the view of Georgetown.
Oh.
This,
So
my people.
the hotel is overlooking
The
Georgetown.
So that is the parking lot there of the casino as well.
Yes.
Look at all of these
Which
cars.
building is that right there in the middle?
Which building?
Right.
That is one of the biggest bakeries in our country. It's called Bakewell.
Oh.
Right? They do bread, pastries, and so forth.
Okay.
Right? As you can see, the cars are lined up here. This is the casino as well as the hotel. You know, very affordable.
So the casino get a lot of people to come and support it.
The hotel as well.
And the hotel as well.
It is very affordable. It's highly recognized and so forth.
So guys, you have seating on the outside here. You can sit, relax, and take in Georgetown.
Right.
All right,
But
so it's very
if
beautiful.
If you have domestic problems, I do not see that you should be at this altitude level.
Okay.
Right? So you will go down here. And then you also have an overview, like if your husband, you go to the room, right?
Yes.
Now listen, if you go to the room and you decide, well, your husband said, oh honey, I'm gonna take a walk. We have a spying area, so come on, I'll show you. So you say you're there, and he says, honey, I'll be back. And he wants to go and see the girl at the pool.
People from all over the
You
world.
can watch his every move.
You don't know that
can watch
this is
his
your lady
every
Tania. And let us all chat Jamaican. Yeah, man. Because me love chat Jamaican. Me raise a bar like no other nation. This are the time for we all get wiser. Jamaica to the world, make we start work harder. We arise, we are pray in a this lovely place. Get rid of
So guys, what happened? We just look at one floor and just to give you an overview of what it is like.
Yeah, it's a go better. Yeah, let us all support each other and spread the love among our brothers. It's a go better. Yeah, it's a go better. Yeah, let us all support each other and spread the love among our brothers. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of the shadow of death, me no afraid, me strong and me never afraid. God bless Bikini. And me that lady Tania, my heart rich we like getting wiser. Yeah, we working harder. Yeah, let us all support each other and spread the love on our brothers. It's a go better. Yeah, it's a go better. Yeah, let us all support each other and spread.
Oh, we end up at a different spot.
So you can sleep, enjoy yourself. Short man? All right, my brother. Yeah, bro. All the best for the new year. So you can have a comfortable night's sleep, and then you can walk over to the casino. I hope that you spend a couple of dollars on the comfortability. You know? So, yeah, so look at the level 3 and a half. Right, nice city area. Sleep is everyone. Affordable.
People from all over the world. You don't know that this is your lady Tania. And let us all chat Jamaican. Yeah, man. Because me love chat Jamaican. Me raise a bar like no other nation. This are the time for we all get wiser. Jamaica to the world, make we start work harder. We arise, we are pray in a this lovely place. Get rid of bad mind and learn with less.
Some persons don't have the luxury of that. But you might win one day. Alright, take care, babe. Alright, so we're heading over to the casino. Alright, as you can see, there's Carnival Casino.
Catties.
We are once again in Central Georgetown, and we're at Trending Cuts. As you can see, this is a spot. All of these are actual persons. This is one of the barbers here. These are actual persons who have gotten their hair cut, and the proprietor of the business has created a collage of pictures so that persons, when they come to get a haircut, can choose from these variety of hairstyles, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, so as you can see, there's enough barbers to facilitate anyone who comes, and they're working through the holiday a little bit late. So as you can see, the gentleman is getting an exquisite cut for them girls, them sugar, them sugar, you know. Yeah, so this is one of the best hair cutting place they have in Georgetown, if not the best. I haven't cut my hair at all of them, so I can't put all in one spectrum or category. But I know that once you come and you get a trending cut, your wife or your husband says, baby, you look brand new, you look good.
So let me just ask you a few questions. You work all night or you have a cutoff time?
Depends on the work, how the work come in.
Okay, so if you're here and somebody come in at 12
Yeah.
p.m., you will do what you have to do.
Yeah.
Look at the
Okay.
price, the cuts are affordable. $3,000 Guyana dollars, which is $15 US.
Yeah, during the holiday season we work extra late. Like tomorrow, gonna work right through the night into
Yeah.
Christmas morning.
Okay.
Yeah.
So give us a location of where Trending Cuts is so that the
Training Cuts is located on Breakdown, opposite the Teaching Service Commission, not far from the Breakdown Police Station.
and give us a couple of Barbara's telephone numbers as well as yours.
My number is 652-3456.
Go again?
652-3456.
Okay.
So when you come down to Guyana, people, ensure that you call these barbers and you get yourself
Yeah, Training
styled.
Cuts. We're online too, so you could find us on IG, Facebook, on Google. Training Cuts Barbershop.
So what haircut, what hairstyle is he getting right now?
This is just a simple fade. This is like a mid fade.
Oh,
Okay.
Trending Cuts
fade.
DY. Yeah, so this is a fade, everyone. Right? So, right? We have Shivani, one of our fighters. We have Christelle. That Christelle is one of our fighters. We have Monica. She is the cashier and the burger girl. So, could you tell the person that is watching, hello, what you have available?
Hi, good night. This is Monica. So far, we have chicken and chips, fish and chips. We have cook-up, going with either fried fish or chicken. Then we have chicken burger, fish burger. We have the Hawaii burger that goes with the chicken, duck in the barbecue sauce along with the egg. And
Wings.
along with wings,
How long will it take to make a burger? Yeah, man.
less than 5 minutes. For me, it's less than 5 minutes.
In making the burger,
Yeah. Icy barbecue.
how long do you go throughout the night here?
Then from Monday to Thursday, it is be from 6 to 3.
3 a.m.
Yeah. And 7 to 5.
and
Weekend.
people continuously buy food at that time?
Yes.
Wow.
On weekends, we go from 6 to 5 in the morning.
Oh my god, this is new.
So we actually manage it. We get so accustomed to it. So
Yes. Okay. Alright. Alright, thank you. Guys, it is great experience in Guyana. Food shop and businesses are open all night. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Lick more. Bye.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of